Welcome to Cooking with Pops. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. Hey crew, today's video will be honey orange pepper chicken, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have some chicken party wings, salt, orange pepper, and honey. These are the ingredients we'll be using for our honey orange pepper chicken wings. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our honey orange pepper chicken wings video. Alright crew, so we're going to season our chicken wings. Alright crew, so we have our all-purpose flour, and we're going to go in with our orange pepper seasoning and our flour. We're going to take our chicken. Alright y'all, here's that famous close-up of our orange pepper chicken. Alright crew, so moving right along to our sauce for our honey orange pepper chicken wings. Unsalted butter. Alright crew, so our butter has melted. We're going to go in with some honey. And you can use as much honey as you want to. I'm going to go in with our orange pepper seasoning.
You know I need you, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately.
Alright, crew, so our honey orange pepper wings are done. And here's that famous close-up. I'm going to allow Queen to give it a taste and give her honest opinion. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so Queen here, she going to give the honey orange pepper chicken a taste.
I was going to get a flat. Oh, it is hot. Ooh. Okay. I wasn't expecting that taste. Oh. It's really good. I can't tell you what it tastes like because
It's honey and orange pepper.
I meant food wise. I know what it is, but I can't tell. You can taste the orange and you can taste the sweetness, but the two combined, you kind of taste like a hint of lemon. Like if you had lemon pepper mixed in it too. Did you put lemon pepper in it? I guess that's just the orange, but it's good. And I've never had any orange chicken at all. Not even the Asian brand. It's good. And it's flavored down to the bone. All right, now. Oh, it's hot. Look at that heat. No, y'all even see that smoke.
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in.
Yeah, I'll try this.
Queen gave y'all her opinion. Y'all already know the saying. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Pops out. Peace.